Hello and welcome to the 9th video in my beginners beat series. You're about to see a video of me playing the beat at 70 BPM. Start playing along as soon as you're confident you know how the beat should sound. Okay, upping the tempo now to 105 BPM. Moving on now to the Drumless track that I have specifically created to work with this beat. It's also at 105 BPM. If you are more of an intermediate or advanced player, then please feel free to add in, your own little bits of flair, some fills, some ghost notes, move over to the ride, whatever it is that you want to do. Or alternatively, if you're not feeling so confident, then just stick to the beat and make sure things are as solid as possible. Give it a go, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you're going to keep playing, why not try out one of my other lessons or Drumless tracks. Cheers.